Good morning, dear students. I'm Kuheli Bose with you. Today we are going to discuss about South India and the Cholas. The Deccan and South India. The Cholas. Sources to reconstruct the age of Imperial Cholas. Political history of the Imperial Cholas and Raja Raja I. The Deccan and South India. After the fall of the Satavahanas, the Vatakas rose to power in the Deccan. After the Vatakas, three major dynasties dominated the Deccan and South India. The Chalukyas of Badami, the Pallavas of Kanchipuram and the Pandyas of Madurai. The greatest king of the Chalukya dynasty was Pulkeshin II. He was killed in the war. The reign of Narasimha Varman marked the climax of Pallava power. He ruled from 630 AD to 668 AD. Finally, the Cholas overthrew the Pallavas. The Pallava king built many magnificent temples. The Rathas of Mahabalipuram were built by King Narasimha Varman in the 7th century AD. There are 8 Rathas, of which the Dharmaraj Ratha is the largest. The Cholas. From the 5th to early years of the 9th century, the Cholas were not a force to be reckoned with. The greatness of the Cholas was revived about 850 AD by the dynasty founded by Vijayalaya. Sources to reconstruct the age of Imperial Cholas. The Chola era was the golden age of Tamil literature. Jayamkondar, also known as Jayagondan, wrote Kalingattu Parani. It is a historical epic of great richness. It tells the story of heroic deeds of King Kuluttunga I, who ruled from 1070 to 1122 AD. Archaeological sources, monuments and inscription. Brihadasara temple built by Raja Raja I. It is also known as Raja Rajeshwara temple at Tanjavur. The temple was built about 1000 AD. It was dedicated to Lord Shiva. Inscriptions. Hundreds of inscriptions both in Tamil and Sanskrit have been discovered in various parts of the Chola kingdom. The inscriptions supply dates and refer to the conquest of the kings and the extent of their kingdom. Political history of the Imperial Cholas. The Chola dynasty founded by Vijayalaya, and after Vijayalaya, his son and successor Aditya I inflicted a crushing defeat on Pallavas. After death of Aditya I, his son and successor Prantaka I ruled for 48 years. With the death of Prantaka I in 955 AD, the history of the Cholas for the next 3 decades did not attract much attention. But with the accession of the Sundara Chola's son Raja Raja I, the Chola power rose to imperial greatness. Raja Raja I. Raja Raja defeated the Cheras and then he seized Madurai and captured the Pandya king Amarbhujanga. He also annexed Kalinga. The eastern Chalukya became the feudatories of the Chola kingdom. Raja Raja's army carried out powerful raids into the territory of western Chalukya also. Thus, Raja Raja made himself the overlord of almost the whole of the present state of Tamil Nadu, parts of the state of Karnataka and its adjoining regions Sri Lanka and other islands. This conquest placed him among the foremost warriors and empire builders of ancient India. So students, in this session we discussed about the Deccan and South India, the Cholas, sources to reconstruct the age of Imperial Cholas, political history of the Imperial Cholas, and Raja Raja I. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.